Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, my Nokia 7.1 got Android 9.0 or Android Pie. I'm gonna get into what's different, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so in this video, I'm gonna just go over what I noticed was different from Android Oreo to Android Pie on my Nokia 7.1. I think Tuesday or Monday, it got an update to Android Pie. So I waited a little bit, played around with it, trying to figure out what's different on the phone. So in this video, I'm gonna definitely go over that as much as I can. There's a couple things I don't like about it, a couple things you can change, which is pretty cool. Let me get into two things I don't like, and it's right on this home screen. This top thing right here, I can't get it to move. I can't delete it. Can't do anything with it. So I have the date, and then I have my clock widget again, and I have the weather twice on there, giving me two different temperatures, by the way. That's kind of annoying. I wish I could get rid of it. The second thing is this Google search bar. I can't do anything with it either. It's at the bottom. I know that's Android Pie. It is what it is. I just wish I had the options of moving it. But on Android 9.0, Android Pie, you don't have that option. Couple things that different that I noticed. When you hit the drop down, these little icons up here are definitely different looking. They're highlighted in blue. I think that's pretty much it. There's different options that you can press on like normal. Now, the other thing that's different, as you can tell too, there's no back button, recent apps. All you need to do is swipe up. You can see it there. There's your recent apps. You can actually clear all, or you can go one by one like that, or you can hit clear all. It will clear it. Now, if you want to go back home, you just tap on it. Now, the nice thing too, if you're in an app, so say I'm in Telegram. If I want to go back, you just hit the back button. Bam, it's there. If you want to bring up Google Assistant, you just hold it down, which is okay. Now, if you want to switch cards or apps without even swiping up, if you just swipe to the right, it will rotate through the apps, which is pretty cool, I guess. I mean, that's up to y'all if y'all think that's cool. So if you want to turn that off, it's pretty easy to do. All you need to do is go into your settings, and then you want to go into system. You go into gestures. Bam. If you can see it right there, it actually says swipe up on home button. You can actually turn that off. And what that does, it gives you your keys down there, your recent apps, your home button, and the back button. But you can still actually swipe up to get to your apps. And if you do that, it brings up the same type of cards. Does that look like iOS to y'all? It kind of does. But they do have the clear all button there. So if you go to recent apps, it's still there. You can do your different things here. But it brings a notification. I kind of like the gestures on there. So I'm going to turn that back on really quick. Bam. Go back home. And there you go. There's nothing really new in the camera app that I noticed. The other settings are pretty much the same. The battery looks the same to me. If y'all know there's anything different in there, let me know. But I just want to give this quick video, show y'all Android 9.0 or Pie on my Nokia 7.1. One quick thing too, I'm going to say this to the end. $349. My $999 Note 9 does not have Android Pie. My LG V40, $920 don't have Android Pie. My $820 LG G7 Thin Q don't have it. $349 has Android Pie on it. Bigger companies just need to step up their game. We're spending all this money. We want Android Pie on our phones. At least I do. But if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so for more coverage on the Nokia 7.1. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.